Chatsonic, like ChatGPT but with superpowers. ChatGPT is an open-source conversational AI system created by OpenAI. ChatGPT is incredibly easy to use. It requires no coding or setup, and can be integrated into existing applications with just a few lines of code. It is the perfect tool for businesses looking to quickly and easily automate customer service operations. Create AI-powered bots for customer support, sales, marketing, and more. Create virtual assistants that can answer questions and provide recommendations. Create AI tools that assist with content creation for anyone and everyone. Rest, you can think about the endless possibilities ChatGPT can help you with. Chatsonic is the next generation of chatbot technology that is better than a traditional chatbot. ChatGPT has been trained on millions of conversations to understand natural language, and it can even generate natural language responses. Why not try it out now? If you liked the video, please like and subscribe.